How to delete apps from your Wix website. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can delete apps from your Wix website. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Wix account just like I have done here. And then by the right side of the screen, you would see the design site icon. Click on it. Once you click on this, you'll be directed to your Wix website editor's page. Okay. So once you're this on this page, just wait for it to load. Once it has loaded and you are brought to the editor's page, next thing for you to do is to select the app that you want to delete. If you have the app on the page, you can just select it. For me, I have to scroll down. So this is the related products app that I added. So if I want to delete this, I'll just click on it. Once I've clicked on it and I know that it has been highlighted, next for me to do is to left click on it. Once you left click on it, a box will be displayed. All right, and then you see some options such as manage product settings, help, overlapping items, arrange, duplicate, then delete. Okay, so you can just click on delete. Once you click on delete, the app will be deleted automatically. And another way you can delete apps from your Wix website is by deleting the page where they are located. Okay, and how can you do this? By moving to the pages and menu icon and click on it. Once you click on it, the pages icon will be displayed. Click on the more actions icon next to the page, and then you'll see delete. Just go ahead and delete it. Just delete it. The page will be deleted immediately together with the apps. So this is how you can delete apps from your Wix website. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.